Namaste everyone. Today I'm going to tell you 9 simple yet effective and powerful hacks for enhanced productivity. First, schedule your day the night before.
Before you go to sleep, mark out a rough to do list with your most important tasks. It doesn't need to be 100% perfect, but it should be a general guideline of everything you need to do the next day.
Second, exercise or do some classical hatha yoga.
Even 10 minutes of exercise can give you an energy boost. When you wake up, try heading out for a quick jog or a run on the treadmill. It will get your day started right way and give you enough energy to be productive the whole day.
Third, meditate every morning.
Clear out your mental clutter and keep your mind sharp. Sit down for 5 to 10 minutes every day and focus on your breathing. Empty your mind and try to think about nothing else except for peace and tranquility.
Fourth, eat a healthy breakfast.
Give yourself enough fuel to make it through the day. Sit down and eat a healthy breakfast full of lean proteins, whole grains, and fresh fruits. Your mind, as well as your stomach, will both thank you.
Fifth, start with the toughest task first.
What's the one thing you are not looking forward to? Get that done and over with right away. When you do the thing that you're dreading, the rest of your day will suddenly look like a whole lot easier. Jump in right away when you have the most energy to start your day off in the right way.
Sixth, block out all distractions.
Life is full of things vying for your attention. When it's time to be productive, turn off the TV and put your phone on silent. If you have a sudden thought that's not related to what you're doing, jot it down on a scrap paper and get back to it later.
Seventh, don't multitask.
Multitasking sounds like a good idea, but it's actually less productive overall. When it's time to get the work done, pick out a single important task and focus on that until it's complete. Dedicating your brain space to one thing at a time will lead to better quality and faster results.
Eighth, clear up all your messes right away.
Cluttered spaces lead to a cluttered mind. When you get up in the morning, make your bed before you leave. When you finish a project, clean up the papers around your desk. Just taking a few minutes to clean up your messes can lead to more productivity in the longer run.
And ninth, take breaks.
Your brain also needs a bit of a breather to rest and recuperate. After you've worked for a few hours, take 10 to 15 minutes and do some stretching, some walking, or some deep breathing. Get up and move around to come back refreshed and ready for the rest of the day. If you found this piece interesting and useful, like the video, share it with as many friends as possible, and do subscribe to my YouTube channel.